Pure Alabama. Alabama was named for the Choctaw word for thicket clearers. However, it was a little unclear of what exactly those thicket clearers were. However, what we do know is that this was the first sign and the last sign of respect that Alabama ever paid Native Americans. So there is some suspicion, in fact, that this is actually Choctaw for clearing thickets of Indians, or at least that was the Alabama translation. The first settlement in Alabama was actually Fort Lewis on the Mobile River, which was abandoned due to flooding. They then built Fort Condé later, which spawned Mobile, Alabama. So Alabama actually started by being underwater. Rather impressive, and possibly Atlantis. Alabama became a state in 1819, and proceeded to organize several states' rights conventions, and then founded many segregationist and states' rights parties, in the state of Alabama, because that's what Alabama does. At the turn of the century, the legislature also introduced several laws that almost totally disenfranchised black people, even though they had been given the right to vote early on by the Constitution. Nice trick, Alabama. These rural rights blocked the urban population out of government for the first half of the 20th century, too. So, discrimination? What's that thing? Also, in the 1960s, the KKK, also known as the Ku Klux Klan, organized lots of anti-black violence in Birmingham because, well, those blacks were actually trying to get some rights. In fact, the Alabama state motto is, "We dare to maintain our rights." Go ahead. Try to give our black people rights. You'll see how well it goes. Also, some fun laws of Alabama. It is actually illegal to wear a fake mustache that provokes laughter in church. Yes, Alabama is still trying to grow mustaches. In fact, it is also illegal to wrestle a bear in Alabama, if you can find one, but according to Alabama state law, it is perfectly fine to hang blacks from trees. Thank you for watching Pure Alabama. We hope that you'll join us next time for Pure Indiana.